Young on the one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make this right fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the
Hey guys, it's your girl Dear J here. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're not new here, hi, welcome back. How y'all been? How y'all doing? As you guys see by this title, I'm going to be doing a car decoration video, actually part 2. It's actually a different theme. I have some few like pink stuff. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep that. I purchased a red wine car seat cover. She's right here, and also gonna be a link in my description to all the things that you guys are gonna see me and show in this video. It's gonna be section and section because today is actually day 1 of me redecorating my car. Guys, so this is what we are working with today. I'm just gonna install these on my car. I have this also. It's my car key cover. If you guys watched my last one, I couldn't find something that could directly fit my keys. Hopefully this one fit, and it was really pricey. I'd be mad if I bought this off Amazon and it was on Shein. I'd be mad about that stuff. I was like, I really paid like $20 for something that's $3 on Shein. Are you kidding me? Look at that. And also, it's my cousin that's gonna install this. Anyways, you guys gonna see my cousin. He's gonna be doing the work. I don't know if I want to keep this right here. I literally just bought it, but like, and this too, I want to see how it looks in my car. You know, my car is all black, you know, it looks sleek and nice. So I don't know how, I want to see how it looks. I want to see how it looks after I add the red wine. Definitely want to get rid of these. And my cousin talking about something he don't want to be in my video, and I'm like, what are you on? So this is the back. Y'all know what it is. And this is here. Y'all see that? We're gonna work on here during the part of the video. He changed. So yeah, I already see vlog.
Look for them. When pull up, put on the one and see it looks good. See no car, right?
Yeah. It better be good quality. I'm not playing. That's how he's installing it. You guys, he's adding the stuff under there where you secure that so it doesn't get pulled off. You guys could see. It's under the seat. At this moment, I don't know what is he on. It's a little intermission. I'm gonna only show when he's installing the first one, and I'll show you when he's done with this one, because that's what he has so far. Y'all see that? He's attaching the whatever it's under there. 10 hours later, guys, he finally got it. Oh my god, the sun makes it look so red. You guys, it's actually wine red.
Two of them.
too big.
But
That's too big, yeah, good.
it's good. Y'all, I'm getting too hype. It's already looking so nice. Y'all see it? Guys, I looked at my phone. I looked up. He's almost done. You got this going on over here and this going on over here. Like, I don't know what to do. Let's see what... My car looks so different now, you guys. So different. Now he's moving on to the back.
Snake around there, brother.
Guys, you see that? Uh-huh. Wow. He wants me to put this in the vlog, guys. He's washing his car. And my brother's gonna wash my car. They're gonna wash my car too. Real yardy style. We don't got car wash. We wash our yard. In here. Okay. This is day one of my extreme car makeover, you guys. I'm gonna order some stuff and finish ordering all this stuff that I feel like I need to get for the car, and I'll see you guys when they arrive. I wanna know it's a Nissan Rogue 2017 if you guys want to know what type of car it is. Okay guys, so my package just arrived. So this is official day 2 of me decorating my car. Huge transformation, by the way. Though it's not a lot of stuff, but trust me, it makes a tremendous difference. So let's open this package. Oh, it is so pretty. Yeah, I assembled all of them, so I'll meet you guys back in my car. Told you guys, is what I want to get rid of. All of these, you know, to kind of match up to this. Also, they're here just to change it. I don't know, it's so pretty on camera, but I'm just not feeling it anymore. You see the vision? I don't, this is throwing me off. Let's try. Okay, you guys, I wasn't too sure, but I was just trusting the process because I was okay. All right, I wasn't too sure. Okay guys, I don't know, y'all vibe, y'all mess with the vibe. Yeah, y'all see that? Okay. Guys, this will conclude day 2. Y'all don't mind me. I just didn't feel like doing anything to my hair. I just left it. I look a mess, okay? You guys can see I'm trying to work with the red. You know, I'm trying to see if I like it. I'll see you guys on Wednesday, I think. Okay. Actually, guys, this is day 3. Oh my God, you see how step. I had to take step so I could get it right and not be left, you know, unsatisfied. So, you know, when they ask what's one of your favorite things, me personally, I would say coming home to a bunch of packages. Let me just show you guys. Right there. I'm still gonna keep the pink Decor, like my pink gear shift, just like 3 pink stuff I'm still gonna keep because I like them and they're brand new, so I'm not gonna waste my money, and it's okay, it will work. It don't look ugly or anything. Pink is cute. Pink and red is, you know, they don't go bad together. So okay, so this, the first thing, this, it does look a little big. I'm scared. I got the car mats in black because I was gonna get into a nice color, but I was like, yeah, no, my foot is gonna be all up on these. Guys, I need to get better at doing my hair because what is, yeah, these were my old mats. You guys could see, like, they're, you know, they're not the brightest. In person they look purple, really washed out. So I was like, you know, it's time for me to get new ones anyway. So I did just that. You think I'm gonna install the mats first. See over there. You know what's ironic? I literally had this same hairstyle on my first car video. Not the same one, but like I had it up. So I was like, why not do a whole full circle? And I did just that. Brand new, you guys. It gives brand new. That's what it gives. So let's move on to the next side. You guys see that? More. See, right there. I'm gonna change here. If the color that I got is so off, I'm gonna be so mad, and everything looks wrong and I'm so mad. The only thing that looks okay that I got right in this package is the mats. Gonna be, I don't know if it's the right color. Oh my god, let's see how it looks. Let's just see how these look. This is it. Okay, all right, it's alright, it's okay. Right here, guys, so I'm gonna change. This is it right here. I like it. This video should show you guys to always trust the process. Y'all, I might have been wrong. Okay, I like it. I love it, actually. Guys, your girl is finally finished with the car, and I don't think for right now I want to do anything else to it. I want to keep my pink stuff because, like I said, they are brand new. And not only that, I still, you know, I still vibe with it. You know, I still vibe with it. Not too much. Like, I feel like it's luxury and a bit of me in there, which is the pink, and that's what works for me. If you guys would be like, DRJ, you should have changed like a black steering wheel or like a red, incorporated red. Yes, I know that, guys, that's what I want to do, but am I a big fan of red? I'm not really. So, but I do love my red seats, so, and they're actually ride with it. But guys, it's time for the big reveal. That is it for this video, and I really do hope you guys enjoy my car decoration extreme makeover, by the way, on my Nissan Rogue 2017. I hope you guys enjoy my car makeover / decoration video. Yeah, so is that it, guys? Stay tuned for my next video, and always comment whatever video you guys want to see. I did see someone say they want to see more videos of me driving. I am going to be coming with that also, you guys, so don't worry, just stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.